wanted to show a data of the whole world with a specific type of condition where, let's say, if the height of a buildings in a country, if it is more than 100 meters, it should give me red color or blue color. If it is more than 500 meters, then it should give me green color. And if it is more than 1000 meters, then it should give me a red color. And else, if these criteria are not met, then it should not color that continent or that country. So let's see how it's done. So first of all, we have this three tables here. What I will do, I will select one map. I will select this Azure map, and then I will select country as a location. And then if you see, yeah, where we have the data for the countries, it's giving me a blue bubble here, right? And then I will put as the bubble size as the height, sum of height, right? So now is giving me one bubble of each of the country where the sum of height is of the buildings are more than this or this. So instead of bubble, what I want to highlight that country only. So if you see here, marker here, it's giving me this as a layer marker, right? So instead of, let me just select this. Instead of marker layer, if I just make it off or on, and then if I just go on map setting, and then if I go on layer setting, and if I just, when I just close this mark layer, right? If I just turn it off, and if you see here the filled map, if I just click OK on this, then you can see where in all the countries we had the values, then it's giving me only one color. So for this, what I will do, we can add color from here, or we can add a measure. But as we have our sum of heights, what I will do, I will just what I will do, I will just go here, fill map, and then in the colors, instead of only one color, I will go on FX, and from FX I will choose as the rule. So instead of country, I will choose as sum of height, and I will say if it is equal to 0 and number and less than 200, then it should give me this value. And if I just put one more rule, which is equal to and greater than 200 to 500, let's say, then it should give me this color, right? And if it is equal to and greater than 500 and less than 1000, then it should give me this color. Sorry guys. And there is this one more rule: if it is equal to and greater than 1000, we should take it as number above here also, and less than, let's say, higher number here. So I will give this as black, and if I just click on OK, then you will see the different countries for all the different colors, where the condition of our rule is matching. If the country is having less height, then it's having this color. If it's having more height for a building, then it's having this color. So this is how you can use this Azure map to work on your data, to just highlight all over the countries how much is it performing.